Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you need a little more shade for your outdoor areas? This is a custom-made sunshade from SHADESPEARE. So I have it in turquoise. It comes in a large variety of colors. I love the turquoise. It's exactly the color I was hoping for. It really pops, adds that splash of color to the corner of my patio. Now I wanted to use this patio space for dinner parties, for sitting and reading, having a cup of coffee, but it was so hot in the sun out here with absolutely no shade. So this sunshade from SHADESPEARE is exactly what I needed. It gives me 95% UV blockage, and it has stainless steel D-rings on all three corners. So however you decide to attach it, wherever you need to use it, you can be confident that it'll be secure and durable. I love the fact that SHADESPEARE offered me a customizable sunshade. So I was able to give them the dimensions of what I needed, picked the color I wanted, and they delivered it exactly as I asked. So whatever space that you need to shade and add a splash of color, you can be sure that SHADESPEARE is going to be able to fill that need. I'm very happy with the way it looks and how well it shades this corner of my patio. We love being outside as much as possible. But when it's summertime or the sun is on us, it makes it really difficult to enjoy our outdoor space. The addition of this sunshade has made it possible for us to be outside, enjoying the fresh air, enjoying our patio, because we have such excellent protection from the sun. So if you're looking to add some shade to your backyard and you need something that's going to fit just right, I highly recommend getting this high quality custom made sunshade from SHADESPEARE. And that is my point of view.